Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking on to this video. Today I'm going to be sharing a quinoa recipe with us all. Something I trust you would so enjoy having, especially on your weight loss journey. So sit back, relax and watch me put all of this together. Thank you. So to start with, I am going to be prepping all of the vegetables I'll be using for this recipe. I have my carrot first of all, that I have peeled with my carrot peeler, washed, and we are going to be dicing this into small sizes. I'm using just one carrot because I'll be making just 1 cup of quinoa. Quinoa is a preferred option than rice, not because it doesn't have carbs, but because it has fiber and also protein in it. So if you're on a weight loss journey, I'll recommend eat more of quinoa than your rice. It is very, very healthy. I also want to use this opportunity to appreciate all of those who have been supporting me through watching my videos and also giving me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And if you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, turn the bell notification to all, so whenever I drop a video, you get notified and you come watch and support me. Thank you so much. So, if you notice on the screen, I introduced the 3 bell peppers I'll be using. I'll be using the green, the yellow, and also the orange bell pepper. So I'll just clean that out, and then we are going to also dice them into small bits, just like we did to the carrots. Keep watching, do not go away. Watch how I prep my vegetables to achieve that beautiful, sumptuous, delicious and inviting plate of quinoa I showed us at the beginning. Most important as well is portion control when you're on a weight loss journey. You don't just eat everything that goes by. Portion control, exercise is very, very important. And trust me, in no time, you would achieve your desired or target goal as to weight. So all done now, our red, yellow and green bell pepper is prepped. Now I just prepped the spring onions and also our onions. I'll cut everything into small bits and then we can start cooking. After the onions, I'll be prepping fresh garlic. Here is the garlic. I'll be mincing that into small bits and then we are all done for prepping. Next, I'll be measuring out the quinoa. That's the 1 cup of quinoa. I'm using the mixed one. Sometimes it comes in just white, but for this I'll be using the mix. So in a pot, I add in my coconut oil. Coconut oil is very healthy, but you can use any oil available to you. To the oil, I'll be adding some thyme just to give the oil a bit of fragrance. And then I'm going to be adding the 1 cup of quinoa, stir fry for a minute and then add in water. So to this 1 cup of quinoa, I'll be adding in 2 cups of water. You can rinse out your quinoa before cooking, but make sure to read the package. Like for this, it's the rinsed one already. That's why I didn't rinse it out before cooking. I'll add in salt, mix, cover and allow it to cook. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes and then it's ready. Cover and cook. Please, have you given this video a thumbs up? If not, please do give the video a thumbs up. It helps my video a lot and I truly appreciate. So here it is. I just use my fork to fluff it and it's ready. We'll set this aside and get on to the next step. So I just fluff and set aside, and then in a saucepan I add in some coconut oil, allow that to melt out and then we can start frying the vegetables. First goes in our onions. We'll stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes until the onions is translucent and has releases aroma. Next, the minced garlic. You can also have minced ginger, but I'll be using the dry ginger powder. Just stir fry that for a minute as well, and then we can add in carrots, because carrot is the hardest of all the vegetables, so the carrot goes in first. Stir fry that for a bit. So next I added in the spices. That's curry all-purpose seasoning, my ginger powder, a bit of rosemary again, and I'll just stir fry that. The kitchen already is beginning to smell amazing from the aroma of the spices. Next, I add in all of the vegetables. That's the bell pepper and spring onions, and also frozen peas. So I'll mix this. I'll be turning in the quinoa now because I don't want the vegetables to become too soft. So I turn that all in, mix. I'll just make sure it fries properly, and then we're going to cook for about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, while covering it. And then when we come back to it, you will see what it looks like. Guys, if you do try out this meal, let me know in the comment section. It is something you should give it a try. It is very, very healthy. Even though you're not on a weight loss journey, I trust and believe that it is something you will enjoy eating. So I'll cover now and we'll come back to it in the next 3-4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. And here we are. Our food is actually ready at this point. You can eat it just like this if you're a vegan or a vegetarian, but if you're not, you can enjoy it with any protein of your choice. Your fish, your chicken, or your beef. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you all. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share to family and friends. It's bye from me. Bye bye.